Is this deal right for this investor? Belentino Investor Matching. Intelligent investor-to-deal matching powered by a 10-criteria weighted scoring engine. Investor profiles. Deal analysis. Portfolio analytics. Tax planning. Due diligence checklists. Pipeline management. Cash flow projections. Team collaboration. From scoring a single match to managing an entire investment operation, this is how professional property teams make allocation decisions. Every investor has different criteria. Risk tolerance. Capital available. Target returns. Preferred strategies. Geographic preferences. Tax situation. Timeline. When a deal arrives, matching it to the right investor is a manual process, gut feel, quick mental arithmetic, and a phone call. For one investor and one deal, that works. For 5 investors and 20 deals, it does not. Opportunities are missed. Wrong deals reach wrong investors. Capital sits idle while perfect deals pass by. You need a system that scores every match objectively across every dimension that matters. The matching engine scores every investor deal combination across 10 weighted criteria. Strategy alignment at 22%. Does the deal's strategy match the investor's preferences? Risk tolerance at 18%. Is the deal's risk level appropriate? Return expectations at 18%. Does the yield and ROI meet targets? Capital fit at 12%. Is the deal in the investor's sweet spot? Timeline match at 7%. Geography at 5%. Property type at 5%. Tax efficiency at 5%. Portfolio diversification at 5%. Exit flexibility at 3%. The result is a weighted fit score from 0 to 100 with per criterion breakdowns, explanations, and recommendations. Every match receives a category. Strong fit, 80 or above. The deal aligns across all major criteria. Good fit, 60 to 79. Minor mismatches that may be acceptable. Possible, 40 to 59. Significant gaps that need discussion. Weak fit, 20 to 39. Major misalignment. No fit, below 20. Do not proceed. Each category comes with a confidence score based on data completeness. A 95% confidence strong fit is a green light. A 60% confidence good fit means you need more data before deciding. Investor profiles capture everything that matters for matching. A 4-step wizard collects the essentials. Step 1, basics, name and notes. Step 2, strategy and risk, preferred strategies, risk tolerance from conservative to speculative. Step 3, capital and timeline, available capital, minimum and maximum budget, target yield, target ROI, investment timeline. Step 4, preferences, preferred regions, property types, exclusions. The Investor Scorecard, a 12-question quiz, classifies investors as conservative, moderate, aggressive, or speculative, and auto-generates a profile from the results. Portfolio analytics aggregate across all match deals. Total portfolio value, investment, monthly rent, expenses, and cash flow. Weighted average yield and average ROI. Total equity, total debt, and overall LTV. Strategy distribution charts show allocation by approach. Regional distribution shows geographic spread. Diversification scoring uses Shannon entropy. 0 means concentrated, 1 means perfectly diversified. A portfolio health score from 0 to 100 weighs diversification, leverage, yield, vacancy, and cash flow stability. Excellent above 80. Needs attention below 40. 3 tax planning tools integrated into the matching workflow. SDLT analysis with April 2025 rates, interactive price slider, surcharge calculations for additional properties and non-residents, band breakdown tables, and waterfall charts. Capital gains tax scenarios with purchase price, sale price, tax band selection, and multiple reliefs, principal private residence, lettings relief, allowable costs. Personal versus limited company comparison, input rent, expenses, mortgage interest, salary. The engine calculates income tax, corporation tax, dividend tax, and net income for both structures, with a clear recommendation. The due diligence module provides strategy-specific checklists. 6 standard categories: location and area, flood risk, crime, transport, amenities, schools. Legal and searches, title deeds, planning history, environmental. Property condition, survey, EPC, damp, roof, electrics. Financial, comparables, rental comparables, mortgage in principle. Compliance and licensing, HMO license, fire safety, gas, electrical certificates. HMO specific items, mandatory licensing, Article 4, room sizes, fire doors, kitchen ratios. Over 30 checklist items with required and optional flags. Progress tracking per deal. Nothing missed. Nothing assumed. An 11-stage pipeline tracks every deal from sourcing to monitoring. Sourcing, initial review, viewing, analysis, offer, negotiation, due diligence, exchange, completion, refurbishment, and monitoring. Kanban board view with drag and drop stage updates. List view with sorting and filtering. CSV export for external reporting. Pipeline progress bars on the dashboard. Investment timeline view shows a Gantt-style chart of all deals from sourcing through completion. For teams managing multiple deals simultaneously, the pipeline is the operational backbone. The cash flow projector models multi-year financial performance. Customizable growth assumptions, rent growth, expense growth, void rates. Monthly breakdowns showing rental income, expenses, mortgage payments, and net cash flow. Cumulative tracking shows total returns over the investment horizon. Real returns adjusted for inflation using the Fisher equation. Opportunity cost comparison shows property returns against stocks at 8%, bonds at 4%, and cash at 4.5%, compounded over 5 years. Enterprise unlocks team collaboration. A team dashboard shows activity across all team members. Team matching enables multiple users to score and review the same investor deal combinations. Shared investor profiles and deal data ensure everyone works from the same source of truth. The analytics dashboard aggregates portfolio metrics, strategy performance, regional distribution, ROI distribution, diversification scoring, leverage analysis, and a 12-month cash flow forecast. Performance history tracks investment outcomes over time. Opportunity alerts monitor market conditions. Investor matching connects to every Belentino tool. Import enriched deal data from Quick Scorer, Deal Quality Engine, Offer Engine, Refurb Estimator, SDLT Calculator, and Rental Yield Calculator. No manual re-entry. The cross-app bridge scans other tools and pulls in property data, scores, and financial projections automatically. Feed match deals into Deal Funnel CRM for pipeline tracking. Export to Portfolio Dashboard for long-term performance monitoring. One ecosystem. Every tool connected. Free tier, 1 investor profile, 3 deals, basic matching with fit score and 2 mismatches. Pro, 5 profiles, unlimited deals, full recommendations, scenario modeling, stress testing, due diligence, portfolio analysis, tax planning, and CSV export. Business, same as Pro with 20 opportunity alerts. Enterprise unlocks everything, unlimited profiles, team matching, team dashboard, and the full analytics engine. For professional property teams making allocation decisions at scale. Belentino Investor Matching. 10 criteria. Weighted scoring. Intelligent allocation. Is this deal right for this investor? Now you will know in seconds.